ما عليك هذا الحكي ما يصير يحسب نفسه صغير ودي امشي.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hello, how are you? How is it going? I am good, and you? I'm Amin, and welcome to Learn Arabic with Amin. Today we will learn Arabic with Arabic movies and drama, and today we are in the playlist of Gulf dialect. Gulf dialect. So don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the dialects in my channel. So bring your notebook and let's start. Okay, now let's go to the first scene.
ما عليك ما عليك ما عليك ما عليك.
ما عليك or ما عليك. So the kaf, in some countries they are spelling it K, and in other countries they are spelling it CH. ما عليك or ما عليك. So in the scene it's ما عليك. This one I cannot explain it each word because it's like one general meaning. ما عليك, it means don't worry. ما عليك or ما عليك is don't worry. So ما عليك or ما عليك, don't worry. So let's take a look at the scene again.
ما عليك ما عليك ما عليك ما عليك.
Now let's go to the next scene.
هذا الحكي ما يصير هذا الحكي ما يصير هذا الحكي ما يصير.
هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا الحكي ما يصير. And we said in Gulf dialect the kaf is CH, so it can be هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا, it means this for male. هذا, this for male. هذه or the, this for female. هذا, this for male. هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا, this for male. الحكي, it means the speech or the say. Speech or say. الحكي. Al is the, حكي is speech or say. هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا is this for male. الحكي, the speech or the say. ما يصير. ما, it means here not. ما is a tool. It makes any verb after it negative form. Okay? So ما is not. ما is not. It's a tool, makes a verb after it negative, as I said. هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا, this for male. الحكي, the speech or the say. ما, not. يصير. يصير, it's a present simple tense. Okay? It's a verb. It means to be or to become. To be or to become. يصير. يصير. But this one is for male, to be or to become. For a female, to be or to become means تصير. For a female. But in this scene, يصير, to be or to become, for male only. Okay? هذا الحكي ما يصير. هذا, this, الحكي, the speech or the talk or the say. ما, not. يصير is to be or to become for male. Now what is the meaning of the full scene here? هذا الحكي ما يصير. The full meaning of this scene and this sentence is totally different from the meaning of the separated words. So هذا الحكي ما يصير means this talk is not acceptable. This talk is not acceptable. هذا الحكي ما يصير, this talk is not acceptable. هذا الحكي ما يصير, this talk is not acceptable. Let's take a look at the scene again.
هذا الحكي ما يصير هذا الحكي ما يصير هذا الحكي ما يصير.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
يحسب نفسه صغير يحسب نفسه صغير يحسب نفسه صغير.
يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب, he thinks. She thinks, تحسب. We think, نحسب. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب, he thinks. نفسه. نفسه here I will take it as one word, okay? Himself. نفسه, himself. نفسها, herself. نفسي, myself. نفسهم, themselves. Okay, and this is one meaning of this نفسه. نفسه has another meaning. Okay, it means same, it means same, but in other sentences. Inshallah we'll talk about it in the future. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب, it means he thinks. نفسه, himself, only in this scene. صغير, 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 it means young or child. Young or a child. صغير, young or a child. كبير, big. Young or child is صغير. صغير or صغير. صغير or صغير. Okay. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب, he thinks. نفسه, himself. صغير, small or child. Small or child. Now what is the meaning of the full scene? يحسب نفسه صغير. It means, does he think himself child? يحسب نفسه صغير. Does he think himself child? يحسب نفسه صغير. Does he think himself child? Let's take a look at the scene again.
يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب نفسه صغير. يحسب نفسه صغير.
Okay, now let's go to the next scene.
ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي.
ودي أمشي. This one is very important. Very, very important. In all dialects, very important. But this one in Gulf dialect also very important. ودي أمشي. The importance of this scene is in the word ودي. ودي, it means I want. In Gulf dialect, ودي, I want. ودي. He wants وده. She wants ودها. We want ودنا. They want ودهم. Okay? ودي means I want. ودي, I want. ودي أمشي. أمشي, it means I walk. I walk. In a present tense. Okay? I walk. ودي, I want. أمشي, I walk. ودي, I want. أمشي, I walk. What is the meaning of the full scene? ودي أمشي. I want to walk. I want to walk. But in this scene, in Arab countries, it means I have to go. Or I want to go. I want to go. ودي أمشي, I want to go. ودي أمشي, I want to go. ودي أمشي, I want to go. Let's take a look at the scene again.
ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي. ودي أمشي.
Okay, now let's take a look at all scenes without any translation.
ما عليك هذا الحدث ما يصير. يحسب نفسه صغير. ودي أمشي. ما عليك هذا الحدث ما يصير. يحسب نفسه صغير. ودي أمشي.
Okay, this is our video for today. I hope that you enjoyed it and you learned new things. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and follow my Facebook page. And don't forget to check all the playlists and all the dialects, because I have all the dialects in my channel. And I upload videos daily. So I will see you tomorrow with a new video and new dialect and new scenes. So see you tomorrow. Salam.